Dungeon Magic.
Developer Taito Corporation. Moero 7 Juudou Warriors.
Flying Dragon, The Secret Scroll.
Developer Culture Brain.
Join Mech Fight.
Developer Nintendo Research and Development 1.
Karate Champ.
Developer Technos Japan. More Karate Champ 74 of 116 the best classic arcade games, 5 of 14 arcade ports that just didn't work out, 455 of 784 every single NES game, ranked from best to worst.
Archon, The Light and the Dark.
Developer Freefall Associates.
Urban Champion.
Developer Nintendo Arica. Mike Tyson's Intergalactic Power Punch.
Splatterhouse, Wanpaku Graffiti.
Developer Now Production, Namco Now Production.
Flying Warriors.
Developer Culture Brain. Kart Fighter.
Musashi no Ken Tadaima Shugy Chu.
Developer Taito Corporation. Target Renegade. Tenkaichi Bushi Keru Nagru. Rollergames.
Yie Ar Kung-Fu.
Developer Konami.
Bucky O'Hare.
Bucky O'Hare.
Wolverine.
Wolverine.
Kung Fu Master.
Developer Nintendo. Iron More Kung Fu Master 68 of 135 list of movie games, video games based on movies, 267 of 784 every single NES game, ranked from best to worst, 52 of 78 the best 80s arcade games. Kung Fu Heroes.
The Astyanax.
Developer Acom Jalico.
Tag Team Wrestling.
Developer Technos Japan.
Battletoads and Double Dragon. Developer
Ashby Computers and Graphics Limited. Rare Limited.
Mighty Final Fight.
Developer Capcom.
Base Wars. Abyssin.
Developer Konami.
Karateka.
Developer Jordan Mechner, Broderbund Software.
Street Fighter.
Street Fighter. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Tournament Fighters.
River City Ransom.
Developer Kid. Technos Japan Million. Punch Out.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.